Okay. Hello, sir. Your voice is not available. Okay, yeah, I was not speaking also. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Code with NM. There was some internet issue from in my area and from my side. That's so I deeply sorry for that. And for this 10 to 15 minutes gone, let's directly jump to the topic. Before jumping on the topic, I just want you all to comment your name and from which city you are joining this live. And I hope I am very much clear and audible to you all. Just quickly, I want your name and from which city you are joining. For example, hello, I'm Nilesh. I'm joining from Mumbai. Or basically your name, comma city. That's it. Make it simple and easy. Okay. Okay. Okay, before starting with today today's learning, first of all, how many of you know Python already? How many of you are aware of Python or done some project on Python, created some application on Python? So I will consider this you all are beginner in Python and okay, let's start with a small intro video of why Python is so much important in 2026 and why a Python, what we can achieve. So I will directly jumping on today's topic because it's already 10 to 15 minutes late. Okay, let's start with this.
Welcome to Complete Python Mastery course. In this course, you will learn everything about Python from basic to advanced concepts. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently use Python for AI, web development, machine learning, automation. So if you are looking for a beginner friendly, project based, welcome, practical, mini quiz, industry ready and easy to follow Python course that takes you from zero to advanced level, then this course is absolutely for you. I have already created 100 plus tutorials across these four major categories: Python development, data analyst, data science and machine learning, AI and LLM apps. This entire roadmap is divided into three phases. Each phase will contain weekly topics and tutorial. A new video will be released every week step by step. Hey, I'm Nilesh Maurya, software engineer and founder of Code with NM. Over the years, I have helped students and aspiring developers learn programming, build real world projects, and grow into software engineer through both offline training and online content. On this channel, you will learn programming, software development, AI tools, system design, and industry level engineering skills in simple and practical way. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe because I upload new videos all the time. And now let's start building.
Okay, before jumping on to the further topics and starting with the installation and all the complex things, if you are new with this installation part, installing VS Code, installing Python and other things, before that, let just clear few things. Uh, in this video, I've already told you what we will be achieving via Python, learning AI, machine learning, data science, data analyst, and much more. If you all know these things, so be with me up till entire of this series, or else if you are the beginner, you don't know where to start, what to start, but you at least know I need to start somewhere. So I suggest you all, if you are very much beginner or you know Python somewhat, start with Python. You can be a backend developer in Python, you can be a data analyst, you can be a data scientist. And for all this, I have one-to-one session also. I have a resume building session. I have other things also. So please join the Discord, because Discord is where we connect. Discord is where we all connect. It's not just you and me connecting, it's the developer community and you and me there. So if you have any doubt, any query, if you don't know where to apply, how to apply, if you're hunting for a job, if you want to learn Python from scratch up till the end. Of course, if you grow with Python in data science, data analyst, machine learning, everything, every source code, every session nodes, every challenges, I will be uploading in Discord after this live will be ending. Of course, the topics will be related to the lesson one. This series chapter one. Then there will be a chapter two, and I've divided everything in systematic way. So let me open the Discord and show you how this all are divided, how channels are divided. And if you all don't have the Discord link, I will be pasting the Discord link in the live chat. Once you understand the importance of the Discord, because this is an entire community. The Discord community is where we connect with each other. Of course, there is a proper roadmap. There is actual announcement of everything, what is coming next in Code with NM, what is coming new in the technology. There are separate channels I have already created there. So let me quickly open the Discord and show you. So this is my Discord server, and here we have a welcome channel. Of course, few of you have already joined. Here I post the exact thing which will we gonna see in the Code with NM. For example, this live I've already posted, because in Discord channel, those who have joined and those who have become learner, because once you join this Discord, let me quickly share the link also. Once you join the Discord, you will be assigned as a newcomer. Then you need to introduce yourself in introduction channel, and once you introduce yourself, you will be appointed as a learner or a student. Then you will have access to all this channel here. So we have announcement channel where I already provide the update, give you the update for everything which is coming on the Code with NM. Then we have a proper roadmap. So I already posted the roadmap of how to become a Python developer, how to become a backend developer in Python. And this is divided into three phases, which I was talking about in the video. You have already seen those three phases, but it is here in the Discord roadmap channel in detail. Then we have a session notes. So at the end of today's live, I will be providing all the notes here, and then if there is any doubt, we can come here in doubt corner channel and post your doubt, and we will be solving and helping out each other here. Then code sharing, of course, and resources and tools and other things which is required for you all to be a Python developer or ML engineer or AI ML ops, whatsoever the resource will be here. Then we have a general channel. Here I will be posting multiple things like what is going in today's world, what is going in MNCs, how MNCs are hiring, how your resume format should be, what new technology you need to learn to be an ML ops, to be an ML engineer, and so on. And win in progress, this is I keep a challenge. I will provide you a weekly challenge, and once you complete those challenge, so you will be progressing from being a student to being an active coder, and then the promotion will be a Python contributor and much more. I have divided the roles into a promotion roles. And job hunt, of course, I'm using my referrals, link and connections and networks I have the industry. If there is any opening regarding to Python or any other like full stack, or you're a front end React developer, I will be posting those referrals here. So you all can apply from here and can get yourself placed. Any guidance, any type of guidance, anything, you can come on the Discord and discuss those things with me one on one. Of course, if you're comfortable, you can discuss that in general channel with everyone. Okay, I think this thing is clear. The Discord complete thing is clear. Let's continue with the today's topic, which is installation of VS Code, Python, and everything. Okay.
Now let's understand today's roadmap and what we are going to learn in this video. We will cover Python installation, VS Code setup, Python extension installation, creating your first Python file, writing and running your first Python program. So let's get started. Let's begin by installing Python on our system. Open your browser and search for python.org. Once the website opens, click on the download section. You will notice that Python.
Okay, here I'm going very fast. I will be taking few seconds. What you need to do is you need to open your Google browser, type there python.org and click on the download section. Once you click on that download section, you will see all the versions of the Python starting from Python 2.7 up till Python 3.16. And it shows red and yellow and green. Red means end of the line, means they are discontinued those versions of Python. So make sure you always download and install the latest version of any software if you are trying to install into your system. As simple as that. So I will be waiting on the screen for a few seconds and then we'll continue. Okay, let's continue.
Python provides multiple versions, but as a developer, we generally use the latest stable release. At the time of recording this video, the latest stable version is Python 3.14.5. Now, choose the installer according to your operating system. In my case, I am using a Windows 64-bit machine, so I will download the Windows installer. Once the download is complete, open the installation setup. Before clicking install now, make sure these two options are.
Okay, up till now what we have done, we have clicked on the latest version of Python, clicked on the download link from the website, and my system is Windows, so I have downloaded this Windows 64-bit. If you are using Mac or any other OS operating system, you can download as per your convenience. Then once your Python setup download in your system, just double click on that setup. This type of window will open in front of you. It says install Python 3.14.5. At time of this, I have this live at time of this recording that video, Python latest version was 3.14.5. I can say 16 or 15 also, but do not go and target the most latest version, because the issue is going with the most latest version is it can be unstable. It is still in beta version, so we usually go the second uh, highest or second newest version, not the top newest like 13.16. Okay, once you see this window, you need to tick use admin privileges when installing py.exe, means python.exe, and of course add python to the path. This too I will explain you why this is important in the upcoming parts. Okay, once you just check those two boxes, you need to hit on install now and wait for few minutes or few seconds depending on the hardware configuration of your system. If you have a good RAM, good GPU, it will install instantly. Okay, so let's continue.
Checked. These options are extremely important because they allow Python to be accessed directly from the command line. Now click install now and wait for the installation to finish. Great, Python has been installed successfully. But how do we verify that everything is working correctly? Let's check. Open the start menu and search for CMD. CMD stands for Command Prompt, also known as Command Line Interface. This is where developers interact directly with their operating system using commands. Once command prompts open, type Python and press enter. If Python has been installed correctly, you will see the installed version displayed on your screen. In my case, it shows Python 3.14.5. Congratulations, Python is
Okay, let me go to the screen. Simply just I have in the start I type CMD. So you can also go to the start and type CMD, and I've already explained what CMD is, command line interface. Here, developer like us, we directly command or write codes. For example, for you to easy to understand, we directly write single line of code, multiple lines of code. This is the interface. We directly can interact with our systems, means with our OS. For example, if you want to make a file, there is mkdir. If you want to list something, it's ls. These are the few commands which we use to interact with the system. Okay, so here you need to type Python space hyphen hyphen version or Python space hyphen hyphen v and hit enter. So doing that, you will find out the version of Python you are using. I can do it right away. So I will go to the start and hit on CMD. So let's see here live. Let me zoom in and can do Python hyphen hyphen version, and you can see this type of output it gives. So this is what I've given the command to my CMD, command line interface, and it returns a value, means an output or an answer. So the install version of Python in my system is 3.14.5. Hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the other things.
3.14.5. Congratulations, Python is now successfully installed on your machine and you are ready to start writing Python programs. Whenever it comes to writing Python code, you can use either a code editor or an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is basically a powerful code editor that comes with advanced features like auto completion, debugging, testing, and many developer tools that make coding easier and faster. Some of the most popular code editor are VS Code, Atom, Sublime Text, and one of the most popular IDEs for Python development is PyCharm. I will be using VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Now let's install VS Code.
So now before installing VS Code, let us understand few things. I have already explained there is a difference between the code editor and IDE. So there are a few examples of IDE have also shown Sublime, Atom, and VS Code. VS Code is majorly used across the MNC, so we use VS Code. And in this video also, I will be showing you how to download the VS Code. Simply go to the Google and type VS Code download, and you need to hit the first link, of course, and you can see the download button right away. You just need to click on the download button and just wait for it to download. And then again, it's the same process. After downloading, double click on the setup which is downloaded, and we just need to hit next, 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 and it will install into your system. So now let's continue and watch it. Ah, few of you might be thinking why I'm not doing it live, and I've already recorded a video and just showing it to you all and explaining here in live. Is because I've already created this video. That's why I'm not doing it live. It's repeating the same thing again. So once this setup and installation part is done, the next part will be completely live. We will be sitting and learning what are the variables and how the variable stores and other things, and why the data types, variables, and typecasting are important. This is our next part after the installation. So once the installation is done smoothly and it is there in your system perfectly in VS Code, Python is running with all the extension I will be showing in this video, then we are good to go. Then our environment is set. Our environment is set to learn Python, to code in Python. Simple.
Open your browser and search for VS Code download. Click on the first result and download VS Code according to your operating system. Once the download is complete, install it and launch VS Code. Now let's make VS Code ready for Python development. Click on the extension icon on the left sidebar or simply press Ctrl Shift X. Search for Python and install the official Python extension. Next, search for CodeRunner and install it as well. Don't worry if these extensions don't make sense right now. We will explore them in detail later in this course. Now let's create our first Python project. Click on Open Folder and create a new.
Okay. Up till now, it's clear what we have done. We have installed, and I've already explained how to install the VS Code here live. And then what we have done, we went to this extension icon, and there we have searched for Python. There we have searched for Python, and we have installed that extension. Then second, we have installed CodeRunner. We have searched, we have typed CodeRunner, and then we have installed it. This two, and there are ample of extension for Python, but basically we are using this two for our complete series for Python developer. Why so? Why I'm using this two, and why extension is important? This all I will be explaining in the later part, and but sure I will explain you, because this is a first thing. If you are beginner in the Python, I don't want to bombard every knowledge about Python in the first video only. I don't want to complicate things. That's why I'm keeping it simple, keeping it very minimalistic. My goal is you to have VS Code and Python installed and ready for code successfully in your system. Simply. So just to make your system Python and VS Code ready, this first live and this first video is all about. Because once every tool, if you have all the tool set, then we can create multiple things with the help of those tool set. If you don't have proper Python install in your system, then you will face multiple issues and errors while trying to code into Python, or else you will jump onto something else. Okay, let's continue.
New folder called Python. Inside this folder, create a new file named app.py. The .py extension tells the computer that this is a Python file, just like .mp3 is used for audio files and .mp4 is used for videos. Let's write our first Python program. Type print parenthesis double quote Python VS Code setup is complete, double quotes close, parenthesis close. Now click the run button in the top right corner. No output. What happened? Many beginners face this exact issue. Our code is correct, there is no syntax error, the file is created properly, but we forgot one small thing. We didn't save the file. Before running your code, always save your changes by pressing Ctrl S. This is one of the most common mistakes beginners make while learning programming. Now let's save the file and run it again. Perfect. You can see the output printed successfully in the terminal. Congratulations, you have just written and executed your very first Python program. It's quiz time. Drop your answer in the comments below. Question 1. Which of these is a code editor? You have got.
Okay, let's do it. It's quiz time, and question one is which of these is a code editor? A. Chrome, B. WhatsApp, C. Atom, or D. Calculator. You got few seconds to comment it down. So I will be waiting on the comment screen, and let's see who get it right. Let's see who gets it right. Which of this is a code editor? And now I will know out of you all who were paying attention. And meantime, those who have not joined the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. Okay, someone has commented Atom. Okay, you are absolutely right, my friend. It's Atom. And congratulations, you were paying attention. So let's move on to the second question in the quiz.
5 seconds to answer.
Already
Great
know the
job
answer now.
if you selected Atom. Atom is a code editor used for writing and editing code. Question 2. We discuss VS Code in this video. You have got 5 seconds to answer.
So the second question is simple. Have we discussed VS Code in this video? True or false? Yes or no? Let's see. Okay, I think this guy is paying very much attention. He says true, and of course, you are right, my friend. Let's see the answer.
Awesome. We did discuss VS Code in this video. It's one of the most popular code editor for developers.
So, before getting onto the recap, I just want you all to be uh, on the same page with me. Have you installed Python successfully? Have you installed VS Code successfully? Have you installed all the extension which I have shown in this video successfully or not? If you are stuck on any step, so let's clear those things. If you're stuck on Python install, just comment I am stuck on this and I will help you out. If you're stuck on VS Code or writing your first Python file, I will do this live with you. I will code here right now, right away. So if you all are stuck on something, just comment I am stuck on that, and we can do it. Or else you are stuck on creating the folder for Python or a file of Python file, or else you are getting a doubt why I have used app.py. What is that py means? That is Python extension. Like we have mp3 for audio, mp4 for video, .txt for text file. And you comment down what are the extension used for Excel and Docs. If you know what is Docs, document or a Word document, what is the extension for that and what is the extension for Excel? I'm waiting for you all comment. Let's see who get it right. Nobody knows the extension of Excel. Oh, so this is your homework. This is you all will get a homework. This is the homework. You need to do some research. What is the extension of Word document, Microsoft Word document, of course, and Microsoft Excel. And I will make this video offline. So comment on that video. What is the extension of Word and Excel? Okay. And now let's jump on to the recap.
Let's quickly recap what we learned today. First, we have successfully installed Python on our system. Second, we installed and configured VS Code for Python development. Third, we installed the required extensions. And finally, we created and executed our very first Python program. That's a huge first step in our Python journey. In the next video, we are going to learn about variables and data types. You will understand how Python store information and how every real world application uses variables behind the scene. So make sure you don't miss it. I'm on a mission to help aspiring developers to
Okay, we are done with the installation part. If you all have any doubt, let's see and let's solve it one by one. Again, if you haven't joined the Discord, please join it because it is for betterment for you all. There is a proper roadmap how to be a Python developer, and I'm not just talking about the Python because I've just started with the Python series. That's why I'm again and again talking about the Python. It's about data analysis, data science, ML, MLOps, AI, everything we will be see in this complete series. Of course, I have already created a playlist for Python development. So if you want to find any of the video related Python development, you can find in that playlist. Then again, I will create a new playlist for data analyst, and we will go on to React and Angular, Next.js, Firebase, hosting, authentication, payment gateway integration, and each and every line of code live on this channel. So if you haven't joined the Discord, I have already pinged the Discord link in the live chat. Let me again do it and join the Discord as soon as possible and introduce yourself on the Discord first to get the access to all this channel, because here we will be posting weekly challenge, session notes, solving your doubts. Of course, we will have one-to-one session. If you're not sure how to build your resume, I will be spending time with you all to create your resume, to create your profile, shaping you from zero to hero, from nothing to a software developer or a software engineer. So first thing is, first step is join the Discord, because each and every live, each and every video or any resource material announcement I already post and will be posting here in Discord. If you see, I've already give the live session alerts in this channel, so people already know about and they don't need to jump here and there. For example, it should happen the internet was not working and I went live, then in 15 seconds the live ended. Then I need to call the my network provider and fix that internet issue. After resolving that internet issue, I need to again have my live streaming with other URL. That's why the old one, this one is not working. This link is not working. So all this update I've already give and provide in the Discord. So there is one and only POC, point of contact towards me, is this Discord. And of course, it's just not only POC to me, it's POC to among the developers and those who have joined this community. So you can grow your network. Here we will be doing a profile shaping, profile building, everything. We are not just learning and becoming a software engineer. There is this, you need to, if you are thinking like this, I know to code, I'm a software developer. So you are in a very uh, I think you are in a bubble world or in a wrong direction. It's not just about coding. If you know coding, you are not an software engineer. In today's 2026, you need to have a proper profile building. You need to have a proper resume to apply a job. You need to know what is going into the market these days. So there are ample of things you need to know. then you can call yourself a software engineer over here. Just knowing one programming language and you say, okay, I learn Python and voila, done. Now I can be landing myself into MNCs. This is not how you will land in MNCs. There are much more things you need to know. There is a proper roadmap. So I have already created those roadmap and everything for you all and posted in the roadmap channel. So make sure you join the Discord because here is your key to success. And if you not sure how to join it, I've already posted a link in the comment section. Just hit on those link and you will be landing in the welcome channel. And after introducing yourself, here I've already given you the step how to start. So start here, introduce yourself in introduction channel. You just need to click on this introduce yourself. It will take you to introduce yourself channel and you need to type your name and what you are studying or which year you are, or you're already a uh, software engineer or a working professional. You need to type your experience and your expertise on the tech stack. Because becoming a software engineer is not just learning about one programming language. You need to know stacks and stacks of tech. For example, I know Python, I know React, I know Angular, I know Next.js, I know Firebase, Supabase, SQL, NoSQL, Node.js, Express.js. Of course, in all this, I can create Python APIs. I can create APIs using Java. I can create APIs using Next.js. I can create API using Express or Node.js. And of course, I can create a wonderful, beautiful UI using React, Component, Tailwind, CSS, which is in uh, library of CSS, of course. So this all you will be learning too on Code with NM live with me, but there should be a roadmap. We can't learn here and there. We can't jump from one technology to the other technology. There should be a proper roadmap. So each and every roadmap, each and every announcement, each and every session notes you will be getting on Discord. So make sure you join the Discord. So I see there are no doubt. I think the installation and setting your VS Code is properly done. So we will be meeting in the next live, and there I won't show you a video like today's. I will be actually coding many things and starting from what are variables, and we will be ending with few more things on those video. Okay, so there is no doubt then live I will be taking a leave and I'm on a mission, and my mission is to make you software developer, software engineer. So code with precision, ship with vision. Subscribe now and join the mission. I will see you in the next live.